Hey there. Someone here called for a compiler? Oh, hello. My name is GCC, but you can call me Jesse for short. How are you doing? Great. I'm doing good too. Now, I understand you've got a program that you want me to compile for you. Perfect. Let's just have a look at this code you've written up, and I'll compile it into a nice executable. Oh, it looks like it's a C++ program. Beautiful. That's my personal favorite, if you don't mind me saying so. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. main.cpp. Oh boy. It looks like you're not a big fan of indentation, huh? Yeah, you got every line of code starting right at the beginning. And take a look at this. Your main function is over 1,000 lines long. Do you maybe want to break that up into a few smaller functions? No, I'm not complaining. I'll compile it for you anyways. But good luck getting anyone else to look at this spaghetti code. I mean, your teacher is definitely not going to like this. I'm guessing this is some kind of high school programming assignment, right? Oh, you're not a high school student? You say that you're a professional software developer. Geez Louise, I guess they're just hiring anyone these days. Alright. Let's jump right into this rat's nest. Well, let's see. You're using some variable here called cycle count, but I don't know what that is. Yeah, you haven't declared that anywhere. I don't know anything about cycle count. Listen, I'm not a mind reader. You've got to tell me what type of variable this is. Oh, I see. You declared a variable called cycle counter at the top of the function. Well, that's a different variable, isn't it? Yeah. Cycle count is not the same as cycle counter. Maybe it is to you, but not in the world of C++, it's not. I'll just mark that as an error, and you can fix it later. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. It looks like you have a bunch of unreachable code here. I'm going to leave you a warning about that. Oh, you're just going to ignore the warnings. Yeah, sure. It'll compile anyway, right? That's fine. Just ignore all my warnings. I've only been compiling C++ since 1984. What do I know? Alright. Let's just keep going then. You've got a malformed expression here. That's an error. You've got a bunch of unused variables here. Those are warnings. Oh, but you don't care about warnings. Why am I even wasting my breath? Wow, okay. This line doesn't even have a semicolon at the end. Listen, is this your first C++ program? No, I'm not being rude. I'm just curious. When you take an Intro to C++ course, isn't that the first thing they teach you? Every statement ends in a semicolon. Okay, I get it. It's an honest mistake. I know you humans make typos, but for God's sake, at least take a look at your code before you call me. Aren't you embarrassed? I've been doing this for 40 years. I've compiled operating systems and large language models, and now I have to look at this hogwash? Oh, goodness. No, I'm not being judgmental. I'm just saying, maybe C++ ain't for everyone. Have you thought about maybe trying Visual Basic? No, that's fine. You just want me to do my job. Well, fine. Here you go. 17 errors, 60 warnings. Give me a call when you've cleaned all this up. Hey there, did someone call for a compile? Oh, it's you again. It's only been a couple of minutes. Did you fix everything already? All right, let's take a look. You fixed the cycle count variable. That's good. But now you've got 3 new undeclared variables. Error, error, error. Let's see what else we got. All the warnings are still there. Sure, don't bother fixing those. I'm sure they won't come back later to bite you in the ass. And the semicolon is still missing. Wonderful. So now you've got 22 errors and 60 warnings. You've somehow made even more errors than before. Listen, I don't mean to overstep my boundaries here, but maybe this software gig isn't for everyone, you know? I mean, I know it looks good on paper. You get to work in a nice clean office. The pay is good. You get pizza on Fridays. But maybe there's some other job that you'd be better at. Yeah, like maybe you could be a gym teacher, or one of those people that hands out towels in fancy hotel bathrooms. All right. No need to get sassy with me. I'm just trying to help here. You want to write code? Then let's write some code. 22 errors, 60 warnings. Fix them, and then we'll talk. Hey there, someone called. Oh, for Christ's sakes, it's you again. You say you fixed everything? All right, let's take a look. Whoa, look at this. This is a whole different story. You've got beautiful indentation now. Everything is split up into nice little functions. And you even have helpful comments everywhere. Now we're talking. Wait a second. Something is fishy here. Did you write this code? No, be honest with me. Did you write this code, or did someone else write this code for you? Aha, I knew it. You got ChatGPT to write this, didn't you? Wow, pathetic. No, don't worry, I'm not gonna tell your boss. Trust me, I want to spend as little time as possible on your code, so I'll be happy for this to be our little secret, okay? Alright, let's get this over with. Perfect. 0 warnings, 0 errors. Well done, human. Here's an executable file. Enjoy.